Before I had the stairlift fitted, I used to find it very difficult to get upstairs, especially at night. I found him very easy to talk to, and what I really liked, he wasn't pushy. He didn't try and persuade me into something that I couldn't afford. He did all he could to help me find one that I could afford. On the installation day, the engineer arrived very promptly. He was a very pleasant young man, and we had a little chat, and he installed it very quickly. I was very pleased. He explained everything to me, so that I was in no doubt as to what I had to do. Once it was installed, I felt a great sense of relief. I thought no more having to crawl upstairs at night. I was really pleased.